can think that on purpose. I don't have to wait and hope that thought falls in my head. And what we need to do is pray, receive it by faith, and keep a good attitude until we see the manifestation. And you have all of the fruit of the Spirit living in you. I'm not going to spend my time mad.
First we get to the mothership and then the party begins. Swing down sweet chariot and let me ride. Let me first say I wish you were here like Pink Floyd. Now close your eyes, I guarantee you this ride you'll enjoy. I get on the piano, Juliet starts to draw. She realizes I've been to this planet many times before. She wore a Jerry Rice 49 jersey. Our music fused and we danced this tantric. We don't watch porn anymore because you are what you eat. That's right. Mentally, physically, and spiritually. Porn is a parasite that destroys and corrupts. The more you watch, the more you get more corrupt. Isaiah 53:5, 1 Corinthians 12:28, John 16:33, Luke 1:14, Matthew 19:26, James 2:26. And this world is legal to walk around nude and you can be with anybody. It's all cool. It's all good. Here nature isn't oppressed or denied. In this world almost everyone knows how to fly. Because our third eyes are open wide. Here we use our chi as electricity, showing the true Ouroboros, and that's alchemy. Hell is hell and heaven is boring. So the people here live forever. There's no reason to be jealous. What's mine is yours and what's yours is mine. Is trueness. Fruit together and sip the new wine. Sip on it. Back on earth they're having some hard times. The pastor says World War III started with 9/11 dust got nines on their waistline. Everyone's looking for a love that they can't find. Daddy's mother created cannon moms in China. Slaves work up in sweatshops. I know this is true, but Jordans are still rock. Making the best albums that hip-hop can offer. Them the sages and not the majors, a disciple of the secret teachings of all ages. She did open up the pages of Hebrews which says faith is now, and she said you rap by faith when you freestyle. This made me smile. Next we jump in a 1974 Corvette equipped with the HAL. Vroom 9000, ain't no speed limit here, so we pushing light speed sitting back. Hair blowing in the air. We stopped by the lake on her laptop. It's 3D Max. I'll take pictures to Photoshop later. Day by day life just gets greater. Then later on we watching Kane and the Undertaker. And we start talking about beware the false teachers. A pastor with an education is explaining and making bold predictions basing it on revelations. How many men did we see are Satan or the Antichrist? They use the Bible to control people's lives. And some use this knowledge to hate on Christians, but simple to play. All religions do the same. It's all a power game. Then she asked a question in the form of a joke. What's the difference between an actor, rapper, and a pastor? I don't know. The actor is honest, he's playing a role. Good point. Pastors be like, I present the real gospel. Fake rappers be like, that other rapper is fake. All of these liars claim to be the real thing. We run to the store to buy the next big thing and go in debt because we're out of control in so many ways.
Peter, fastening his eyes upon him with John, said, Look on us. And he gave heed unto them, expecting to receive something of them. Then Peter said, Silver and gold have I none, but such as I have give I thee. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, rise up and walk.
Like the Woody Bear caterpillar, I was frozen minus 94 degrees Fahrenheit. I was a cold man, but came back to life. My heart started beating, I started breathing, divine light receiving. Jesus was weird and different because they gotta know if the Bible would murder the innocent, but maybe no one is innocent. Maybe. Anyway, I'm in another dimension with Juliet, and she's writing a poem about the octopus's intelligence and how the Arctic polar bear hits the food chain. I didn't read Psalm 147:3. We next play with teddy bears and play with each other. They play video games, it's all the game of lovers. Then she grabbed the guitar and I start rapping about the Sumerian tablets in the city of Atlantis. And then I rapped on how faith is a business, can I get a witness? And I repeat, we speak things into existence. We win this race by discipline, persistence. Exercise has so many health benefits. Me and Juliet travel time and space without a spaceship while she sings her favorite song all night long. By the Mary Jane Girls to the Mary J. Blige remix. Then she sees a Commodore's classic. I don't remember the title, but anyway, this is not hypothetical.
You know why
the best of the best. Now it's time to go.
Because she's a fat, hairy bitch. And my children are afraid of your wife. And she said, hello, I'm Bunny. Goonie Google.
She's singing this song.
What the fuck does Goonie Google mean? I don't know what the fuck that shit is to this day. I thought I learned some new Spanish shit. I went up to my friend and said, hey, Sanchez, Goonie Google. And Sanchez said, get the fuck out of here.
I'm singing the song of songs.
And I finally figured out about your wife, where you met your wife. Your wife's a Bigfoot. The bitch can't talk, she can't walk a flight of steps. I bet she climbed the fuck out of a tree though, don't she, guys? And your motherfucking children, they're big feet too. Well, I realized your wife was a Bigfoot when I took your kids fishing last week. I put the motherfuckers in the boat, Russ, and they put the poles down in the motherfucking